Hello, and thank you for your interest in Legion.io. In this video, we will provide a concise overview of the key features of the platform and guide you on how to get started with Legion.io, both for you and your team. We appreciate your engagement with Legion.io, and we trust that you will find immense value in our platform. Please note that Legion.io is currently in its beta phase, and we are continuously working on new features and improvements. Your feedback is invaluable to us as we continue to enhance the platform and expand its capabilities. Welcome to the dashboard. This will be the central hub for all the information related to your organization. Here, you can quickly view key metrics such as overall risk level, criticalities, and the latest news, suggestions, and our product roadmap. The questionnaire section is where you will be able to engage with various assessments tailored to your organization's needs. Our goal is to keep the process simple, offering two clear options when answering questions, yes or no. While it is not required to answer all questions immediately, please note that certain features may remain inaccessible until the questionnaire is fully complete. Once completed, the questionnaire will be marked as complete and will no longer be editable unless reset. If you need further clarification on any question, simply click the Elaborate button for a more detailed explanation. We recommend only selecting yes for questions that you are confident you have implemented correctly and are in place to the best of your knowledge. On the left-hand side of the application, you'll see the currently selected questionnaire, such as General Questionnaire. In the future, as an additional questionnaires are introduced, you will be able to select them from the drop-down menu to tailor the view to the specific questionnaire you're working on. The Tracking tab allows you and your team to begin addressing the recommended actions based on the responses provided in the questionnaires. Here, you will find a list of recommendations that you can track by status, assign to team members, and view criticality. Admin users also have the ability to edit recommendations if necessary. If you haven't invited any team members yet, an Invite Team button will appear, enabling easy assignment of team members to relevant tasks. Each recommendation is accompanied by a question, an explanation, a suggested remediation, and related sources. A knowledge base button will direct you to specific resources, including templates and a step-by-step guide. Additionally, You can attach artifacts you've created or create new ones directly within this section. Collaboration is made easy with the integrated comments section for each remediation. The Analytics tab offers detailed insights into your organization's current standing. Here, you can track your risk score, level, and grade, along with a breakdown of accepted risk. You can also see a listing of the number of critical, high, and medium findings. You can view daily and monthly progress, as well as status of questions answered through visual charts and metrics. In the Artifacts section, you can create, manage, and apply essential documents. These documents are referred to as artifacts in the platform. You may create or add policies, procedures, plans, and other crucial materials for your organization. This section also displays any documents assigned to specific issues identified in the questionnaires. To create a new artifact, simply provide a title, an icon image, and upload the relevant files. Notice how we cannot close until we've created. Once uploaded, the document must be fully created before closing the page. If you need to make adjustments, you can delete the document simply using the delete button. From here, if you would like to apply a policy or procedure or other document to a remediation, simply find the remediation and apply the artifact. Back on the Artifacts tab, when hovering, you will see it is associated with the remediation. Implement and enforce strong password policies. The Reporting tab enables you to generate and view comprehensive, white-labeled reports tailored to your company. To personalize your reports, ensure that your company's logo is uploaded under the Team section of the profile page. Currently, a full report is available. In the future, we plan to introduce additional report types, such as a one-pager report and accepted risk report, among others. Please note that in order to generate a report, all questions within a certain questionnaire need to be answered. From here, you may view the report from the last point that it was generated from, or regenerate based on the created date that it was generated from. The Assessments tab is an optional feature that can be enabled through your profile settings. When enabled, this tab provides access to Legion.io staff for technical assessments or reviews of your organization's infrastructure and remediation efforts. During the beta phase, this service is included at no additional cost, though future testing and pricing may be subject to change. When creating a new assessment, simply assign an issue, the review status, select that type, add any additional notes, and hit create. From Legion.io's side, we will be able to update the status, and if a deliverable is available, upload a deliverable. If you are no longer needing this assessment, simply hit delete. If a technical assessment is needed, select from the dropdown and add any additional notes. And within a certain time frame, we will get back to you. In the profile section, you can update essential information, including your username, email, business name, and profile picture. Admin users also have the ability to reset the general questionnaire. This section allows you to change your password and, in the future, manage your subscription details. Additionally, you can view and manage the users on your team, including assigning roles, deleting users, and inviting new team members. Currently, the available roles are admin and analyst. We plan to introduce read-only and viewer roles in the future for users who need limited access to the platform, such as for reviewing and auditing infrastructure. To invite a team member, click the Invite Team Member button, which will prompt you to enter the email address of that team member. Once invited, the user will receive an email containing a link to the sign-up page along with a TUID value. This TUID value is sensitive as it links the new user to the organization's dashboard, so please handle it securely. Once here, the user will be given a URL to the invited sign-up page, and the team's TUID value. Paste it in the value and fill out the rest of the information. As we can see, we have now been added to the SID users team. Thank you for taking the time to explore Legion.io. We hope this tutorial has given you a clear understanding of how our platform works and the potential it has to streamline your workflow. While the product may not yet be in its final form, we believe it's ready to showcase the power and efficiency that it can bring to your operations. Your feedback is absolutely invaluable to us. Every insight, suggestion, and experience that you have helps shape Legion.io into the best possible version of itself. We're committed to continuous improvement, and with your input, we can refine, expand, and enhance the platform to better serve your needs. So please, don't hesitate to let us know what you think, whether it's an idea for a new feature, something that needs polishing, or just general thoughts on your experience. We want to hear it all. Thank you again for being a part of this journey, and we can't wait to have the potential to work together. If you run into a problem with the application, or if you simply need to email us for support, please select the email support button. From here, this will send an email to our support staff where we can go through and start working through your issue or your recommendation. If you would like to rewatch this video, simply hit the help button and the pop-up will bring up the video.